Okay, guys, so starting out, you'll need some purple Flexi Rods as well as the gray Flexi Rods. And I sort of forgot the inches of them, but you can tell they are the long ones. But I'll make sure I put in the description box below. You're also gonna need some hair clips and some Eco Style gel and also some curl pudding. And this is what my hair looks like after I just got done washing it. I did put a rinse on it, a purple rinse. If you would like a tutorial on that, just give this video a thumbs up or comment down below and let me know. So I am going to start by putting some leave-in detangling milk from Aussie, and it's from their Miracle Curls line. And this is just going to help me detangle my hair without causing any breakage to it. So yeah, I'm just working this in real good. Starting from my ends and working my way up to my roots, get my roots real good. On my right side, I noticed that I'm a little bald on my edges. I know for a fact it's from a hairstyle that I had worn, and I guess I was a little too harsh on pulling on my edges. So this style that I'm using with my Flexi Rods is basically going to be my go-to style for the entire fall and winter. Although it seemed like we don't even have a fall, look like we just went into winter. But I just want to give my hair a break from all the tugging, the pulling. So this is a perfect style. It lasts about 2 weeks for me, with the proper tying up every night and oiling it every couple of days. So yeah, I'm just parting it on the side that I want my hair to fall. And I am going to add just a little bit more of that detangling milk. Here I'm just still, trying to part it, make sure that part is straight. But once I start separating the hair, it's not going to matter if the part is straight or not. Because once you separate your curls, you're really not going to see your parts. So yeah, I am adding some more detangling milk to the back portion of my hair, because that part of my hair is very thick and is like the least of my favorites because it's tough for me to detangle it. So I add a few more leave-in detangling milk to it to help it. Here, I'm just, detangling it with a wide tooth comb. And I fast forward this part so that so that the video won't seem like it's too long. And I know for me, watching a video like this, you can get a little sleepy, especially if you're not, following along. So I want to just fast forward this part of you just seeing me combing through the hair, detangling it. Now I am just going to start by sectioning it off. I do put my hair into 4 sections. And like I said, it doesn't matter if the part is straight or not. Nobody's going to see nothing but that front part. So yeah, I put it into 4 sections. And I am using my hair clips that you guys did see in the beginning of this video. Okay. Okay, guys, so once I got all my sections detangled and put away, I am going to take my curl defining oil by Aussie, and it's from their Miracle Curls line. Once again, I am going to work this into my hair really good, starting from my ends all the way up to my roots. And you want to make sure that your ends are moisturized and oiled, okay? And I am going to detangle that with the product in it. I like to put a generous amount of oil in my hair. Not too much though, where your hair doesn't have any movement, where it just seems stiff, just enough, okay? So now I am going to take my purple rods. I am going to apply my curl pudding as well as my Eco Style gel and a water bottle. And I start with the water bottle first to re-wet my hair. And then I apply the Eco Style gel first. And then I go in with the curl pudding. Now, the purpose of me applying the Eco Style gel first is to hold everything into place, as well as, especially with my roots, okay, because they are the thickest portion of my hair. And the curl pudding is for giving your hair that shine and that softness. And it also locks the curls in place while they're drying on the Flexi Rods, okay? It's going to give it, I mean, guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see the end results. But I'm starting off at the end, rolling it up, and then I'm twisting it, okay? Rolling it up, twisting, rolling it up, twisting. Now, if your ends are anything like my ends and they don't want to lay down flat on the Flexi Rod, then you just take a little bit of the Eco Style gel and you apply it, and you just roll your hair over it, okay? Before twisting it, roll it just a little bit and then start twisting, rolling, twisting, rolling, twisting, okay? Just do it in that order. You want to make sure that your ends are on that roller really good, because of course your ends are gonna be, I don't know how to put it, but you want to make sure that your ends are just as gorgeous as the curls. I don't know how to put it, guys, but you want to just make sure your ends are laying flat, okay? Because it's not going to look right if you take the roller down and your end look all crinkled looking, okay? Look crazy. But you see me doing it with this piece right here, okay? I'm going to show you guys again when I get to the front portion of my hair, okay? It'll be a close-up shot. So I already have product distributed on this portion of my hair. So I'm just going to part it. I'm going to detangle it. And then I am going to commence with rolling it, starting with the ends, okay? Now, sometimes this can be a little difficult because your hands are wet. It's hard to grip the roller. As you can see, I struggle just a little bit, okay? So you want to wrap your hair around that roller and roll it, okay? And you're going to twist it, and you're going to roll it again, and then you're going to twist it, okay? And this is giving your hair that pretty curl, really natural pretty curl pattern, okay, that your hair already has. It's really just locking it into place. And I take a little bit of that styling gel and put it to my edges. That way, once I take this style down, I do not even have to apply edge control, okay? Once I just wrap my scarf around the edges, it's pretty much just set into place. That's why I love using the Eco Style gel, okay? And I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this little major piece of hair, okay? So, yeah, I'm going to show you one more time how I roll it so you guys can make sure you achieve this look just like I did. And I didn't apply any gel because I'm just using the technique of just rolling my hair over the end piece of that hair that I laid down first on the roller, okay? And just be gentle with your edges when you get to this front part of your hair. don't make the mistakes that I have made in the past of having it too tight, and then I'm having to go in before bedtime and kind of loosen them up a little bit, because if you have it too tight, it will give you a headache. Now, this is the finish of everything. This is the back, the sides, and guys, I look like so tired in the eyes because it is so late. I think it's like 1-ish or 2-ish in the morning, I think. But it's finna be a long night because I'm finna sit up on the drive for an additional 3 hours. And that's Trixie Poo. She was whining to get in the bathroom with me. I guess trying to be nosy, seeing what I was doing. But yeah, that's my youngest baby, along with baby K. Okay. So yeah, now I am finna sit up on the drive for about 3 hours. So pray for me, okay? So this is the morning after. Well, I'm gonna just say the date. No, I'm gonna just say a few hours later, okay? Cause literally, like I said, it was late in the night. So as you can see, I took down the back, and I took down one in the middle, and I took down one in the front because I wanted to do the dry test to make sure they were extremely dry, and I do mean dry. I actually sat up on the dryer another 2 hours this morning because I wanted to make sure that these curls was dry. With my hair, it's so thick that the ends of my hair get drier quicker than the root of my hair. So that's why I set up on a dry again for another 2 hours, because I needed to make sure that they were dry. So please make sure they're dry. And it'll help as well if you don't apply too much product. I should have said that while I was rolling the hair up. Do not apply too much product, okay? Just apply a fair amount to each piece that you're rolling. And you want to make sure that you're unrolling your hair in the same direction that you rolled it, okay? So now I am going to add some finishing holding spray to it to give the curls even more lockage and making sure they're not going to drop, because we all know once we get out there in the air outside, your curls tend to drop. And then I'm going to add some more of that curl defining oil to it. And I'm just going to work this into the roots of my hair as well as the ends of my hair. And really, like when I'm working it in, I'm going to give my hair a bit of a pull, like a stretch, okay? But you don't want to do too much pulling because you don't want to disturb your curls, okay? So you see me just really working that in real good. And then I'm going to massage it into my scalp. I had to wave at the camera because I thought I went out of focus. But yeah, just massage it into that scalp real good. I mean, this is like the best feeling in the world when you're massaging your scalp. Now, the most important tip is when you're separating your curl. Please separate them and curl them while you're separating, okay? As you can see me doing mine. I have made the countless mistake of just separating and not, keeping that curl pattern. You want to make sure you are twirling your hair in the direction that you rolled it while you're separating it. This is a tedious, time-consuming task when you're taking it down, because you want to make sure you get every piece and every strand, okay? It's going to be all worth it in the end. I absolutely love my results. I wanted to try. I normally I flat iron my hair and then roll it, but this time I wanted to try some heatless curls, and I have to say this is like really my go-to style. I have been doing so good without putting heat in my hair. It has been about a year and a half that I haven't put heat in my hair, and I'm very proud of myself. So I am just, fluffing out the curls, massaging my scalp a little bit more with whatever product I have left on my hands. And guys, like, look at these curls. I'm going to put just a little bit more holding spray since they're separated. Like, man, they came out so much better than I thought, okay? They're actually beautiful, okay? And the older they get, the better they're going to look, okay? So I'm just styling it a little bit here, okay? Seeing how I want to wear it, okay? But I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, okay? It was my first ever tutorial, but I wanted to do it because I was getting so many compliments on this hairstyle that I wanted to film it for you guys so you guys can see how I achieve this look. And like I said, it does last me about a week and a half to 2 weeks with properly tying it up at night and just adding oil to it, every so few days, okay? Or whenever I feel like it looks extremely dry. So this is it right here. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so excited on how it came out. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, please. And I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.